This 15-inch fixed-blade survival knife is designed for serious outdoor use. With a 10-inch razor-sharp stainless steel clip-point blade, it offers impressive strength and durability, making it more powerful than most standard hunting or Bowie knives. The sawback spine and black anodized finish add both functionality and rugged style, making it a reliable tool for camping, survival training, or tactical situations. The rubber handle provides a secure, non-slip grip for comfortable handling in any condition. It comes with a heavy-duty nylon sheath that includes a belt loop and secure fastening system for easy and safe carrying. As a bonus, a fire starter and sharpener are included, tucked beneath the plastic container in the box, making it a great all-in-one choice for hunters, campers, and survival enthusiasts. The Nest Out Power Bank is built for the outdoors with a design inspired by vintage fuel bottles, symbolizing the shift to clean energy. Winner of the IF Design Gold Award, it features fast-charging USB-C power delivery and smart power detection to optimize charging for each device. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, it's ready for any weather and can handle submersion up to 1 meter. The shockproof body meets U.S. military drop test standards, making it durable for rugged use. A built-in tripod mount adds versatility, allowing attachment of accessories like lights or lanterns. It comes with a charging cable, user manual, and a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is a tough, multi-purpose tool built for adventure. Designed by an American-owned, family-operated business, this 3-in-1 tool functions as a 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe, perfect for digging, chopping, or trenching on the go. Made from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it's strong, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. Despite its durability, it's compact and portable, extending to 22 inches and folding down to just 9 inches by 6 inches in its included heavy-duty carry case. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's easy to pack and carry. Plus, it comes with a real lifetime replacement guarantee, so you're always covered. This 12 by 56 high-power monocular delivers a bright, clear view with HD optics and an 18mm BAK 4-prism lens, even in low light. With a 21mm large eyepiece and 12 times magnification, it offers a wide field of view, great for birdwatching, hiking, and sports. The included sturdy tripod and smartphone adapter let you capture stable, shake-free photos using the Bluetooth remote shutter. It's compatible with most smartphones and easy to set up. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a hand strap and is built to handle any weather with IPX7 waterproof and fog-proof protection, making it a perfect choice for outdoor adventures. The Covacure trekking poles feature an innovative folding system that extends from 43 inches to 51 inches and folds down to under 14 inches for easy storage in your backpack. Made from durable 7075 aircraft-grade aluminum, they offer excellent strength and corrosion resistance with plastic-coated screws and parts that stay reliable in all weather conditions. Adjustable for different terrains, the ergonomic EVA foam handles provide a comfortable, sweat-absorbent grip with wrist straps that help reduce hand fatigue by transferring pressure to your arms. These poles are built for both comfort and durability, making them a trusted choice for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. This gym climbing rope is made from durable, non-slip hemp that feels great in your hands and supports up to 500 pounds when properly installed. It's designed to engage your entire body, arms, legs, and core, making it ideal for building lean muscle and full body strength. Whether you're climbing, training, or tackling an obstacle course, this rope enhances grip, coordination, and upper body power. The heat-shrinkable end caps and rubber sleeves add protection and prevent fraying, ensuring a safe grip. Easy to install indoors or outdoors, it's also flexible, portable, and fits neatly into any gym bag for storage or transport. Built for the toughest adventures, this rugged GPS device meets MILS TD810 standards for thermal, shock, water, and vibration resistance. It features a large 5-inch glove-friendly touchscreen, 50% bigger than the previous model, for easy viewing in any condition. With multi-GNSS support, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and preloaded Topo-Active maps, it delivers accurate outdoor navigation alongside a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. Stay connected with NT Plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for direct bird's-eye satellite imagery downloads, location sharing, and Connect IQ app support. It's also compatible with the Garmin Explore app and website for managing your routes, tracks, and trip data on the go. Lightweight, flexible, and built for emergencies, the Surviveware Splint combines a thin aluminum core with a soft foam shell for maximum comfort and support. It's waterproof, reusable, latex-free, and radiolucent, meaning it can stay on during X-rays. With clear instructions printed right on the outside, it's easy to use under pressure, making it a must-have for any first aid kit. Mold it to fit arms, legs, or even use it as a neck brace or improvised tool in survival situations. Compact and strong, this 36-inch splint is FSA/HSA eligible and ready for any adventure. Compact yet powerful, this USB-C rechargeable flashlight delivers up to 420 lumens in turbo mode, reaching distances of 300 meters. Perfect for any night adventure. Designed with smart power control, it automatically returns to the previous setting after 30 seconds to prevent overheating. With 4 brightness levels and a strobe mode, it adapts to any situation. Crafted from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum, it's IPX6 rated water and impact resistant. Includes a built-in rechargeable battery, power indicators, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable for quick 1.5-hour recharges. Ideal for everyday carry with a keyring lanyard hole for easy access. The Pioneer 14-in-1 multi-tool is built for professionals who need reliability on the go. Crafted with stone-washed stainless steel for a rugged scratch-resistant finish, this compact tool packs essential gear, including scissors, pliers, wire cutters, saw, bottle opener, oxygen wrench, and even a standard handcuff key. Perfect for law enforcement or EMT use. Weighing just 268 grams and sized for portability, it folds down neatly and clips to your belt or pocket. Designed for emergencies, outdoor adventures, or daily use, this multi-tool delivers durability, function, and quick access when every second counts. The Maxpedition Havoc 2 is a rugged 38-liter tactical backpack built for serious functionality and everyday versatility. With 2,319 cubic inches of storage, it features MOLLE webbing on the front and sides for customizable gear attachments, plus a dual-access CCW compartment for quick and discreet carry. Loop fields on the front let you add morale patches or ID tags, while side and bottom compression straps keep your load secure and streamlined. Whether you're heading into the field or navigating daily missions, the Havi K2 is designed to carry it all efficiently and comfortably. Introducing the newly launched BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro, built for performance in the most demanding environments. This ultra-bright headlamp delivers up to 800 lumens with an impressive 150 hours on low, 7 hours on high, and 8 hours on reserve, making it ideal for extended adventures. Featuring BioLite's 3D slim fit design, the electronics are seamlessly integrated into a moisture-wicking band for a secure, bounce-free fit. The constant mode ensures uninterrupted illumination without auto-dimming, perfect for extreme darkness or rugged trails. Rechargeable via USB, it includes a Run Forever cable that lets you connect to a power bank for limitless runtime. IPX4 water resistant, this kit includes the headlamp and 3-foot charging cable. Everything you need for reliable, powerful, hands-free lighting. The CJRB Hectare folding knife combines superior performance with innovative design. Made with premium ARRPM 9 steel, it offers excellent edge retention, a hardness of HRC 59 to 61, and a sand-polished finish for lasting durability. Its ergonomic G10 handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, resistant to moisture and temperature changes. The knife features a ceramic ball-bearing pivot system for smooth, rapid, one-handed deployment, paired with a crossbar lock that ensures safety during use. Ideal for everyday carry, it's both reliable and stylish, an excellent gift for knife enthusiasts. The Kalis Aero climbing harness is lightweight and designed for maximum comfort and freedom of movement, making it ideal for rock and ice climbing, mountaineering, tree climbing, zip lines, and working at heights. Its ergonomic waist belt and leg loops feature an integrated frame design that evenly distributes weight without pressure points, complemented by a soft, breathable mesh interior for all-day comfort in warm conditions. Crafted from high-strength polyester, the harness meets CE 0082EN 12277 UIAA Type C safety standards with reinforced stitching and a thick safety belt to ensure durability and security. Conveniently equipped with front and back tool loops and additional side hanging points for carrying gear like ice picks and cones, it's easy to put on and take off. The adjustable waist features a hot-forged quick buckle for fast, reliable fit adjustments across various body shapes and clothing layers. This versatile tool combines a twin-arc lighter and a glare flashlight in one compact design, making it perfect for home use, camping, travel, and hiking. One end functions as a waterproof electric lighter that quickly ignites tobacco, candles, and more, offering windproof, flameless use and up to 150 to 300 uses per full 2-hour charge with automatic power-off protection. The other end is a flashlight with 2 modes, steady and flashing, that provides 3 to 5 hours of continuous light per charge. Included is a 5-in-1 magnesium fire starter featuring a magnesium rod capable of over 16,000 strikes at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, a 150 decibel whistle, steel scraper, 450-pound 8-core paracord, and rod, ideal for emergency survival. Lightweight and compact, this multi-tool also comes with a refund or return guarantee for customer satisfaction. This advanced industrial-grade mask provides maximum protection and breathability, shielding you from gases, vapors, solids, and liquid particulates, making it ideal for a variety of hazardous environments. Its universal compatibility with any 40mm NATO standard filter ensures easy replacement and interchangeability. The Panoramic Class 1 EN166 scratch-resistant visor offers a wide, clear field of vision, while the highly adaptable design contours comfortably to different face shapes. Featuring a 5-point adjustable head harness, it ensures a secure fit with excellent breathability and comfort during extended use. The Logox is a versatile and ergonomic forestry tool that combines 3 essential hand tools into one, making firewood harvesting easier and more efficient. Ideal for anyone working with chainsaws, log splitters, or portable sawmills. It saves time and effort while reducing lower back strain by up to 93%. The 21-inch Logox hauler features an easy grip hook and a comfortable wooden handle, designed to lift and drag logs safely with superior leverage. The 40-inch cant hook helps roll logs to avoid chainsaw damage and attaches easily with a secure swing lock pin, capable of handling logs up to 32 inches in diameter. The 40-inch Timberjack, with its patented Bigfoot design, offers a stable elevated platform for cutting logs up to 12 inches wide and doubles as a handheld log skidder. Made in the USA from durable American steel, the Logox is built to last and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring reliable performance for years. The AUG-2 folding shovel is a lightweight and portable tool measuring 18.1 inches long with a 4.7-inch wide blade and weighing just 25 ounces. Made from durable, rust-resistant high-carbon steel with heat-treated blades and a sawtooth edge, it's built to withstand tough outdoor use. Its triangular handle design reduces hand fatigue and wrist strain, making it comfortable to use. This shovel folds in 3 ways for easy storage and can be locked straight or at a 90-degree angle, perfect for digging, chopping, sawing, and hammering. It comes with a heavy-duty nylon case that can attach to a belt or backpack and doubles as a knee pad. Backed by a 90-day hassle-free warranty, this shovel is an essential, versatile tool for camping, gardening, hiking, or car emergencies. The EST Gear Torch L1 is a super bright, rechargeable headlamp designed to keep your hands free while lighting up any space. Perfect for camping, travel, or work, it runs up to 20 days on a single charge and features a convenient magnetic USB charging base. Lightweight and versatile, you can wear it as a headlamp, clip it to your pocket, or stick it anywhere using its magnetic base. Built tough, It's waterproof, IP68 rated, and made from durable aluminum with a scratch-resistant finish, ensuring it withstands harsh conditions. Backed by a lifetime replacement warranty, this reliable and rugged headlamp is a great addition to any outdoor or tactical gear collection.